So this is the real true story behind the film of Alien, not Aliens, Alien Earth here in Phuket, Thailand.
Did you even think about it?
Hi, Shaun here from 5-Star Marine with Mr. Jay.
Hello, I'm Jay, and this is 5-Star Dog, aka Mischief.
Oh, this is a Xenomorph.
A what?
Xenomorph from Aliens.
Alien.
Yeah, she's going to eat your face.
Alien.
Did you know I learned that according to Alien Earth, that the soft spot of the xenomorph is the second mouth inside the mouth. If you shoot that, they're more likely to die. I have been reading a lot of trivia about Alien Earth. Anyway, we filmed Alien Earth here. We didn't film it all. I'm going to put that out there. There's 8 seasons.
Hold on, no, stop. We filmed a YouTube video about Alien Earth.
And we're not allowed to say anything.
And
So
when
use this
Shaun
video.
said, do the video because it'd be good for SEO. So I said, okay, so we came and did the video, which you're probably seeing clips of now as the girls put them up. And then he said, oh no, we can't say anything about it. We're not allowed to say anything because we're under the NDA, so we can't say anything. So that whole video was just Shaun going, beep.
So I have a lot of news to give you that Jay does know nothing about.
Because I wasn't on this shoot.
He doesn't read. He doesn't even know what's going on. Anyway, it's as this is being filmed, they're on episode 4.
Are they?
And if you go and watch episode 4, there is a very famous viewpoint here in Phang Nga Bay called Samat Nang Shi.
Samat Nang Shi.
Where they went to film this beautiful. They built a whole train tracks. Because what they do is they put the camera on and then moved it around.
Yeah. Tracks.
Yeah, tracks. It looked amazing. And honestly, a lot of Alien Earth is filmed actually outside of the studio in central Bangkok. I had a friend the other day that said to me, in episode 1, where the actual spaceship crashed was next to his house. Yeah. And they rented out the entire car park so they could film it.
I've got a couple of things to say.
Yes.
1, I have no idea what you're talking about because I wasn't on the shoot.
Yes.
And 2, I've not seen
Episode 1?
I've not seen any of the Alien Earth.
No, you
The
gotta
last
watch it.
Alien film I saw, in fact, the last Alien film I saw was Aliens, which was the second one.
Well, Alien Earth was come out on Rotten Tomatoes, critically acclaimed at 93.
I thought,
Which
well,
put-
is that a good thing?
Yeah, which put it only 1% behind the original Alien movie that was filmed.
With Sigourney Weaver?
Yes, correct. And then since then, obviously, the fans are difficult. Some fans are going to love it, some fans are going to hate it. Because it is an adaptation. There are some parts to it which are growing on the original story. There are additional aliens. There are additional
What?
monsters available
Monsters?
in the universe. But I would say is that it's a great highlight to how the Thai industry can film an entire sci-fi film here in Thailand, in studios, on location. As I said, Samat Nang Shi is in episode 4, and we hope you keep watching because there's going to be episode 8.
8.
And episode 8 is filmed in the Phang Nga Bay area. We can't
Is it?
tell exactly where.
Well, you
but
said we
you're
could
gonna-
do this video.
But you're going to notice Pia, which is up the top end of Phang Nga Bay. You're going to notice a beautiful lagoon where they filmed it. And there was a multi-day film of over 800 cast filming there.
But you can't tell them where it is.
I depends on when this video comes out. If this comes out after episode 8, we're fine.
When's episode 8 coming out?
Another 4 weeks.
Huh? I don't know.
Assuming that it comes out after episode 8, episode 8 is actually filmed in Yau Noi at a pier called An Pao Pier in an area called Lot Roy, which is right next to Lot Kudu.
Because everyone here is going, oh yeah, I know that place.
No, but Lot Roy and Lot Kudu are part of our standard private tours to Phang Nga Bay because they're off the beaten track. There's beautiful mangroves, there's bats, you have to swim through an opening. There's this whole scene where the stormtroopers come in. It's
Stormtroopers?
amazing. Not stormtroopers.
No,
but
they're not
what are they
stormtroopers. I
called?
think you're messing up your films there.
Mercenaries?
What, are they army people?
Yeah.
Yeah, mercenaries.
Yeah, mercenaries
You know,
come in.
stormtroopers is Star
And
Wars.
there's a xenomorph on the beach and it's terrifying.
You're very much like
Very,
it.
very
It's
terrifying.
Xenomorph.
Yeah, Xenomorphs are the ultimate killing character. They beat the Predator in Alien vs Predator.
Did they?
I believe they did.
So okay, so I'm going back to Sigourney Weaver's when I did the hand thing last time. Did you
Yes.
watch the video? I did really
I
well.
didn't watch it now.
Oh, I did really fast.
I get bored after about a minute of your videos.
It was you were in it. It was your video.
ADHD, it's horrible.
Okay, but then so the xenomorph is the monster. That's the name of the alien. So
Yes.
it's called a xenomorph.
Correct.
Okay.
And there's
Yeah.
face huggers.
There's what? Excuse me.
Face huggers, and there's in episode.
Hey, Sean. There's face huggers on Bangla Road as well.
And in episode 3 and 4, they blew up a myth about the entire Alien franchise and gave some extra details behind what these face huggers do.
What do face huggers do?
I'm not going to give it away. You got to go and watch it.
And imagine they hug your face.
Yes.
Is they the ones that go on there like?
But in terms of filming, this was the highest ever investment in Thai film production ever made. Over 135 days of filming on set across multiple years, and they also did a beautiful set of filming on a beach where I spent more than a day creating waves on a flat beach.
How are you
Don't
doing
even
that?
ask me how I did that.
How did you do it?
And it was a beautiful
Give
scene.
away the movie secrets of making waves, Sean.
Well, making waves, a lot of it is about making sure that you do very, very tight circles at very high speeds in front of the camera area and just off camera.
Is she face hugging?
Yeah, she's face hugging. I'm worried about her.
Why?
She's going to impregnate me with her face hug.
She's not going to impregnate you.
That's
She's
what
an
happens
alien.
in the Aliens, I believe.
Isn't aliens when it comes out your stomach like, is that a xenomorph?
And yes,
answer the
there are mixed reviews online.
He likes kisses.
But Bangkok Post come out with a great article that you should go
Did they?
and read about the economic impact this had on Thailand. What more can we say? It's Phang Nga Bay. There are other locations here in Thailand they shot. They did a lot in Bangkok. They took over an entire empty shopping mall.
Did they?
And turned that into a hunting
Where?
ground for the aliens in Bangkok.
Really?
Yeah.
That's cool.
This is huge scale stuff.
What
Massive scale.
what channel is this on?
This is on FX Disney Plus.
I don't have any of those.
Here in Thailand, you'll watch it on Disney Plus. Episode comes out once a week.
Do you have Disney Plus?
Yeah, I do.
You have everything, don't you?
Honestly, I haven't watched it yet though. I'm waiting for episode 8. I want to see episode 8 because our hero boat is there, our hero pier is there, my amazing lagoon that I love to go to is there.
What's wrong? You're getting choked up about the Amazing Lagoon.
Yeah, I am.
Oh, bless you.
Because we can talk a little bit more about it because it's coming out.
Okay.
So if I was you, I would go to FX, I would go to Disney, I would sign up and I would watch it, and you will see a side of Thailand that is terrifying, but you'll also see some great scenery.
All right. I think we're done then.
Alright guys, like, subscribe, comment, and if you'd like us to film more videos, go talk to your production friends.
Oh, more these videos or more
film.
more films?
Yeah.
Have you got production friends?
If you have a friend who's a producer, who's a creative
Director.
producer, a director, maybe they just hold a camera every now and then, they run to get coffee, tell them that we're here helping them with on the water, marine based filming.
There you go. Good one. Thanks for watching. Bye.